Okay, who's gonna make the best crunch sound, including mommy, with the chips? Okay, wait. I'm gonna put it on my little squirt. Let's get 3 little pieces. Do Soleil get to be in the competition? Soleil gets to be in the competition too. Okay, I got that many, okay? Let's hear Soleil first. Go. Where the crunch? Oh, there go the crunch. There go the crunch. Ooh, there go the crunch. Okay, Mika, let me hear you crunch. Oh, dang. How about your crunch? Let's hear your crunch, Layla. Oh, I like the way Layla crunch. That sound good. Who won the crunch vote? Should we take a vote? We're going to take a vote. We're going to see who votes for Soleil, Mika, and Layla.